Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a question that came through about something that is installed on Windows 11, but unless you purchased TV shows or movies from the Microsoft Store back in the day, it is pretty much a useless app because you have other apps that do, playback video and stuff. So if you look at your apps, you will see that there's a app called Film and TV. Now, there's also, depending on who and where you are located, it could be called Movies and TV. It has two names. So the question is, well, I don't use it. Can I remove it? Yes, you can. It does have an uninstall button, and you can actually uninstall the Film and TV or Movies and TV app without any problems. The only people that need to keep it is the people that maybe have paid for TV shows or movies through the Microsoft Store, because I believe that the DRM, to protect them, will only work with the Film and TV or Movies and TV app, which means you got to keep it if you have done such a thing. I don't know a lot of people that have, but if you don't need it, and it's one less useless app on your PC. There's already the different ways to play these videos, so it's like you don't really need the Film and TV. Or Movies and TV, and a lot of people installed third-party software like VLC players because they like it better. So you just can't remove it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.